HiBob is an all-in-one HR platform designed to streamline people management, payroll, and employee engagement for growing companies. Here's how to get started with HiBob as a beginner. Set up your account. After signing up, customize your HiBob account by adding your company's details, locations, and departments. Define roles, permissions, and onboarding flows to streamline how new employees get started. Add employees. In the People section, add employee profiles, including names, roles, contact information, and reporting structures. You can invite employees to join HiBob directly via email, so they can set up their profiles, view team directories, and access self-service tools. Track time off and attendance. Use HiBob's attendance and time off management features to set company-wide holiday calendars and policies. Employees can request time off through the platform, and managers can approve requests in just a few clicks. Run payroll and manage benefits. Integrate HiBob with your payroll provider for seamless payroll processing. You can also manage employee benefits and keep track of perks and insurance plans within HiBob. Monitor performance and engagement. HiBob includes tools for performance reviews, one-on-ones, and employee surveys to measure engagement and drive growth.